for promised blessing, empty striving leaves them thirst. Names are carved from wounded prayers, struggle, fortune, justice claimed, each a cry from broken longing, each a hope half lit by flame. Flocks across with clever wisdom, spotted streak the strong increase. Labor multiplies through waiting, strain gives way to growing peace. Then the Lord remembered Rachel, heard the silence of her cry. Womb was opened, shame was lifted, mercy drew her story nigh. God has taken my reproach now, Joseph named with tear and song. Through the slow and tangled pathway, promise proves the waiting long. Not by haste nor human striving, life is born in God's own time. From the age of patient hoping, blessing blooms by grace divine.